Hello and welcome. I'm designing a game and I want to share it with you on YouTube to get your feedback in the process. In this video I'll be describing the game concepts and showing the current status. So let's begin. So to the gameplay, or rather the graphics and the current status. This is the world. It's a world generated from noise maps, 2D noise maps, and the two 2D noise maps. The difference between them are removed by the 3D noise map currently. And here you can see the bushes, grass, stone and small bushes, and in the future I will also add other things in this area. And you can also see that I haven't included physics yet, so floating blocks in there. I will maybe include physics, I'm not sure yet, since it gives a more complex environment if you don't include physics and push the player to think even more. But I will definitely include physics for like normal stuff, but ground pieces maybe not. Here's another problem. You see the end of the world. This is the end of the world, and the world isn't generated around the player. It's rather generated in the beginning of the map, and then the player moves around it. I will fix this, of course. Since it's an infinite world, you cannot really generate it from the start. You have to generate it as the player moves around it. Here we see the overhang with a big rock, and now I'm looking for this. You see the transition between the two noise maps. Here you see it. It's like steps. I have kept this. It was originally a bug, but I feel that it's easier to move between the layers, the top noise map and the bottom noise map, since this gives a more flexible play to the game. And here you see the small bushes, and now I'm looking for the big bush. It should be somewhere around here, a single one, if I could find one. There it is. So here you see a single bush. It's composed of 4 squares and they are tilted. It doesn't look much from a single one, but if you look at the big ones, they add together to quite nice bushes, I think. Of course, the textures are still really bad. I will work on textures. I'm currently only working on placing objects in the world. So, to the game dynamics. The game will consist of 2 main core elements. It's cooperative play, where the player rank each other depending on how good you are at teamwork. So cooperative play with your teammates is very important. It will decide your ranking and on which server you can play based on this ranking. The other game concept is building. You'll be able to build functional blocks to create moving objects like vehicles, turrets and, for example, tanks. Of course you also will be able to build houses and fortifications and so on. But since you have to move around in the world with your vehicles, that's the reason why the blocks are tilted and the environment is kind of smoother than the standard block terrain. Hopefully you will enjoy this game. Please leave your comments and your thoughts about this game dynamics, game ideas, and I'll be posting videos and showing you the progress as I move along. Thank you.